Did you know that capturing breathtaking aerial shots or exploring the world from a bird's eye view is easier than ever with the latest drone technology? DJI's innovative drones are setting new standards in photography and videography, offering incredible features that cater to every need and budget. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventure enthusiast, or simply someone who loves capturing stunning visuals, there's a DJI drone perfect for you. From compact and portable models to advanced drones with unparalleled camera capabilities, the variety is impressive. And the best part, we've included all the links to these amazing drones in the description below so you can check out the prices or purchase them directly. Let's explore the best DJI drones available and find out which one suits your needs. Starting with the first on our list, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Known for its ultra-lightweight design, this drone offers a stunning 4K camera, making it perfect for capturing high-quality footage. The Mini 4 Pro's compact size ensures it's easy to carry around, whether you're hiking up a mountain or strolling through the city. It also boasts an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes, giving you ample opportunity to capture that perfect shot. Imagine using the Mini 4 Pro on your next vacation, effortlessly filming breathtaking landscapes and bustling cityscapes from above. One standout feature is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, making it ideal for beginners who are still getting the hang of flying drones. Plus, its sleek and portable design makes it an excellent travel companion, fitting easily into your backpack. Most importantly, this drone offers incredible value with its combination of high-quality features and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Next, we have the DJI Mini 3, which is built with versatility in mind. This drone features a 4K camera with HDR support, ensuring vibrant and detailed images. It also comes with a unique dual camera system, allowing for creative shots from multiple angles. Picture yourself using the Mini 3 to capture dynamic aerial views during a music festival or a family gathering. One of the standout aspects is its intelligent flight modes, including quick shots and panorama, which enable you to create cinematic videos with ease. Additionally, the Mini 3's compact design makes it simple to transport, perfect for spontaneous adventures or planned shoots. An important consideration is its affordability, offering advanced features at a lower price point, making it a great option for those looking to get the most bang for their buck on their travels. Moving on to the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This drone is a game changer for those seeking professional-grade features. Equipped with a Hasselblad camera, it delivers stunning 5.1K video resolution and 20-megapixel stills, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. The Mavic 3 Pro excels in low-light conditions, making it ideal for night photography or shooting during the golden hour. Imagine capturing the serene beauty of a sunset over the ocean or the vibrant lights of a cityscape. One of its key features is the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing an added layer of safety and allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Its foldable design and long battery life make it a versatile choice for both professional projects and personal adventures. What really sets the Mavic 3 Pro apart is its exceptional image quality and flight performance, making it a must-have for professionals seeking top-tier equipment. The DJI Air 3 offers a fantastic balance of performance and portability. This drone features a 4K camera with a 1.2-inch sensor, perfect for capturing sharp and vibrant images. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, you can explore and document a wide area without worrying about running out of power. The Air 3's advanced flight modes, such as Focus Track and Smart Photo, make it easier to capture professional-looking footage, even if you're a beginner. Imagine using it to film your favorite sports events or scenic landscapes, ensuring you get every detail. Its compact design makes it easy to pack so you can take it with you on all your travels, ready to capture any moment. A key advantage of the Air 3 is its balance of high-quality camera capabilities and ease of use, making it accessible for users at any skill level. For those looking for an immersive flying experience, the DJI Avata 2 is an excellent choice. This drone is designed for FPV, first-person view flying, providing a thrilling perspective as you soar through the air. The Avata 2 is equipped with a high-definition camera, offering crystal-clear footage and a live feed to your headset. Imagine the exhilaration of navigating through tight spaces or racing along a winding trail. Its durable design ensures it can withstand minor crashes, making it a great option for adventurous pilots. Additionally, the Avata 2 features advanced flight stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and stable footage, even during fast-paced flights. The most compelling aspect of the Avata 2 is its immersive FPV experience, which truly puts you in the pilot's seat, making it perfect for thrill seekers and creative videographers alike. Next up, the DJI Mini 2 SE is perfect for those who want a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. This compact drone offers a 2.7K camera, making it ideal for capturing stunning visuals for social media or personal projects. The Mini 2 SE's impressive flight time of up to 31 minutes allows for extended exploration and creativity. Imagine using it to document your weekend getaways or family gatherings, capturing memories from unique angles. One of its standout features is the enhanced transmission range, ensuring a stable connection even at greater distances. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and deploy, making it a great choice for those always on the go. Importantly, the Mini 2 SE offers an accessible entry point into drone photography, providing solid performance at an unbeatable price. To summarize, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is our top choice, offering great portability and a 4K camera, perfect for travelers and beginners. If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly option, the DJI Mini 3 will more than suffice for your travel needs, with its dual camera system and HDR support. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a professional-grade choice with a Hasselblad camera and 5.1K video capabilities, ideal for those seeking top-tier features. The DJI Air 3 balances performance and portability, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The DJI Avata 2 is perfect for those seeking an immersive FPV flying experience with high-definition footage. Lastly, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers great value for those on a budget, providing quality visuals and excellent portability. Each of these DJI drones brings something unique to the table, catering to a wide range of needs and preferences, from casual hobbyists to professional photographers. Whether you're looking for top-tier camera quality, ease of use, or portability, there's a DJI drone that's perfectly suited to your requirements. Our top recommendation is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, as it offers an outstanding balance of advanced features, exceptional portability, and superb quality, making it ideal for those who want to capture stunning footage without compromising on performance. However, if you're working with a tighter budget and still want a reliable and versatile drone for your travels, the DJI Mini 3 is more than capable of delivering excellent results. Its combination of affordability and high-quality features ensures that you can capture incredible aerial shots without breaking the bank. Both of these models provide excellent value for money, ensuring that you get the best drone experience possible within your budget, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to see the latest prices and make your purchase. Transform your aerial photography and videography with these incredible devices and start exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.